Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show what game you're playing on your Discord profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I'm playing Roblox right now. So my friends will know that my activity is playing Roblox and I'm opening Roblox as well. And if you want to show your game or the game that you're playing right now to your friends on Discord, you can go to the user settings right here, and then you're going to go to the activity settings and select registered games, and here you can add the game that you're playing. If you can't see your game, you can try to add the game. For example, here you can add even you can add Spotify. Okay, you can add your game guys, and then you can select the game, and then the game that you're playing will be shown on your Discord profile. Thank you guys, and that's how you can show the game that you're playing on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!